Portable program is one that doesn't require an installer. A single folder, which you can install anywhere on the system, contains all the files necessary to operate the application. The app will continue to function normally even if you relocate the folder. Today we will look at one such example where we can install portable apps onto your USB. If you have not yet subscribed, or you are new to our channel, then take a second to subscribe to our channel. Let's start by searching for portable apps from browser. The most well-liked portable software solution in the world, portableapps.com, enables you to carry along your preferred applications. It operates on any synchronized cloud folder, from your local PC on an internal or external disk, as well as on any portable storage device, carried between PCs. The platform is entirely open source and free. This software is free, with no cost and no catch. No registration is required. No adware, spyware, or malware. Click on the download button, and then click on the download from portableapps.com. Open the downloaded.exe file from Downloads and run the installer. Select the language, click Next, and agree the license agreement. From the install, type Select New Install, and click Next. Now insert your USB drive. Select USB install location to a portable device, that is your USB drive, and click Next. Select USB install location to a portable device, that is your USB drive, and click Next. You can see, here we have selected our USB drive. Once location is set, click on Install. Once the installation is done, checkmark the Run portableapps.com platform, and finish the setup. As you can see, you have successfully installed the portable apps. Now the portable app directory will open on itself. Here you can see hundreds of desktop portable apps, ready to install in their own category. Select which apps are needed for you, and checkmark those apps and click on Next. Please wait while the portable apps are downloaded and installed, and then click Finish. As you can see, we are running the Sudoku app on our USB drive. Similarly, you can try all other apps on your system. You can check all the installed apps from your USB drive. If you want to install more apps, or uninstall any app, you can go to the Apps section, from the startup of the portable app, and go to Get More Apps. Choose by category and select which app is needed for you. If you enjoyed our video, and have any suggestions for enhancing our videos, you can drop a comment below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon, so that you do not miss any of our future updates.